To grab enough body parts to eat. Love yous. OMFG. Oh. I don't know if I can eat all this though. Do you have ghost turds? Like, don't mess with the dead. If you'd like me to just shut up and eat. I'm getting full. Ooh. My hair's greasy. I don't wash it every day. Crock pot. Ooh. I know you love me unconditionally. A friend with breasts and all the rest. A friend who's dressed in leather. That's my orgasm face. I feel pretty good in saying I'll kiss my fat ass. For those of you who hate me for no good reason. Farting in front of your partner is like, once you break that ice or the wind, you know that you're good, you know? Hey, everyone farts, okay? Like, seriously. Say hi. Woo! The olives. My middle name is Olive. I have an addiction to pizza. It's sad. You know, so I had this guy's sack on my bed. Girls, cooties are real. Can I have a piece? Thanks, I'll put these on my chicken nuggets later. Hardcore. Yum yum. Yeah, I know. Want another bite? I can't eat something that's alive if it's moving, you know? Ugh. Ah, good for you. Ah, jerk. Pro eater right there. Oh. My feet are weird because they're short and fat, like me. This is so good, I'm just wolfing them down. Sriracha. Yeah, it's leftovers. Oh. Big deli sauce resting between my boobs. That's some good shit right there. I'm so hungry. Though I could probably do some damage on this thing. I'd rather eat my calories than drink them. Oh my god, this broken nail is bouldering. Soda makes you really gassy. Make sure you don't fart. Be my lover, wanna be my lover. And then it's like da 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 dee da 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 da. Saturday night dance, I like the way you move, pretty baby. Nice 1 liter glass of sugar, magnificent. Not today, Satan. This is so good. I was like a virgin and my girl hormones were running wild. You did not just see shawarma sauce leak into my cleavage. What do firemen eat in their soup? You don't know? Are you serious? Firecrackers. Yay, McDonald's. Yay. Who's got time to chew thoroughly? We only live once. And we don't live very long. Especially not if we eat McDonald's. I love my drinks ice cold. It's like my heart. Sunglass marks. Sorry, I love Big Macs. Like, when the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. I don't know, I wasn't feeling like bones today. Sprayed my boobies with the ranch. She could club us with a kielbasa sausage or something. I don't know. Like, her dog had some saggy ass tits, man. Ah, la, la. He mooned everybody. Très bon. Magnifique. How did the hot dog wear his hair? In a bun! Oh my gosh! Yum yum! I was hungry. What else is new, right? All gone. Still hungry. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm half kidding. Linguine. This fish is wet. Does anyone else feel bad for the lobsters in the tank? I was like, I'm sorry, but you're so good. I feel so bad for you, lobsters. I feel so bad that I'm gonna eat you. Tell them you steal my earrings. Tell them. My life is not that interesting, I'm telling you. And I'm not wearing a bra. And yes, I'll probably finish these. Easy. They're so good. Take my breath away, way. My friend bought me a lap dance once for my birthday. The girl like was completely naked. And like she was up here, her pootie tang was like in my face like this. And it was like $5. Soda. I'm the only pork that my boyfriend deals with, okay?